How to delete history for one contact only on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, we tap on Contacts tab at the bottom. Then in here, scroll down the list and select a contact that you want to remove their call history. Then tap on the information button. Now go down and tap on history. Then simply select the call logs that you want to remove. In here, once you are in a selection mode, you can select one or multiple items, or you can select all the call history for that contact only, and then tap on delete all. This will allow you to delete all the call history with that particular selected contact. And that's it. So finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.